Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm passionate about delivering exceptional customer service. With 2 years of experience in fine dining as a supervisor, I thrive in a dynamic environment where I can connect with people and make a positive impact. My strong interpersonal skills and attention to details enable me to anticipate and meet the customer's needs, ensuring they have a memorable experience. I'm always eager to go to the extra mile to make everyone feel valued and appreciated. I look forward to bringing my enthusiasm and dedication to my team. Going the extra mile as a frontline staff member, here are a few specific ways to embody the spirit of hospitality and leaves a positive impression. Number one, personalized interactions. Address customers by their names and remember their preferences. Number two, proactive assistance. Anticipate customers' needs before they have to ask. If you notice someone looking around, effort or offer help, offer help immediately. So attention to details, number three. So small gestures can make a big impact. Number four, follow up. After resolving an issue or fulfilling the request, check back with the customers to ensure they satisfied and it shows that you are genuinely care. And number five, creating a memorable moments. So surprise customers with unexpected perks. For example, if they are celebrating birthdays, give them happy birthday music box with some dessert message on their plate. Number six, feedback and improvement. So show you care by asking for and acting on their suggestions. So by going the extra mile, you not only meet but exceeds customers' exemptions, creating a warm and welcoming environment that leaves a lasting positive impression. Thank you.